We're going to do a final look at my Rosewood Manor house. Now, this is the one I just finished touching up the paint, had some rust on the bottom, and I just put it together not too long ago. And this is what it looks like now. It's just a beautiful, beautiful house. There's Grandma in there with her little princess granddaughter and her new friend, the little mouse that plays the violin. We'll just turn it around so you can see the beautiful, beautiful graphics on this house. And I've touched up everything, and it is just as nice as it could be. Not mint condition because I've done some work to it, but it's still a beautiful house, and I'm so pleased to have it. Pretty, pretty graphics. Now sometimes you'll hear me call this like a Wolverine house. That's because this house was made by a company that was originally known as Wolverine, and they made some other style houses that are very popular. We see them a lot on the collector's market and in our dollhouse groups. The one I see most often is the one called Town and Country, and it has a bay window on the living room. Sometimes that bay window is yellow and sometimes it's white. And the floor plan's a little different than this house. The bay window is in this area, and then the entry door is over in this area. They did make a couple of other styles, but the Town and Country was the most popular, the most common. And then later, when they changed the name of their company to Today's Kids, and the logo for that is right here, they made this one, and it's called the Rosewood Manor. Now, this was made in approximately 1986, and I think I'm correct in that it's probably the last metal dollhouse that was made in that era by any company. It's probably the most recent one. And the graphics are just so pale and pastel and pretty. It's a little different. Now, this has a replacement chimney. This was made by pictures of an original red chimney that I recolored it white and printed it on paper and assembled it. It does have a little, it's very faint, but it does have the little brickwork pattern on it, just like the original. And the original was white plastic. This one is actually made on shiny photography paper. When I assembled this house, I was missing a couple of the screws, and my husband went in the garage and he found 3 for me. These are just some little bolts, and they've got the little hex nut on it. I have yet to put these on the house, but they are the right size, so it's very sturdy the way it is. But I need one on the roof, and I need, well, I'll turn it around and show you exactly where they need to go. Still very sturdy. The one will go right in there, and the other one will come over in here. And then I'll paint the heads of those to match probably either an off-white or perhaps a green, because those are like in the bushes. So then it's going to be 100% complete. So that is the final look at my beautiful, beautiful Rosewood Manor. And I just love it to pieces, and it came out so, so nice, so clean and pretty, and all those little rust spots are covered up. I do think I'll do another video. I'm going to get some furniture out and fill this with furniture, probably right as I do a video. I've never done that before. And I think I'm going to put some petite princess furniture in here, at least some of it that I have. So you can check back for that. In the meantime, I hope you guys love my Rosewood Manor. I think it is just gorgeous, and many of you have one, and now you know a little bit more about it, whether you have one or not. So thanks so much for joining me. As always, remember you have a friend here in Iowa and a lot of friends in our dollhouse groups. So I hope you will join us. Oh, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.